What are the 4 P's of marketing? The very purpose of marketing is to make your promising customers aware of your products. A marketing mix is a set of those factors which a company can leverage to make the consumer purchase your products. Hi everyone, this is MS Kumar, Digital Marketing Trainer and founder of National Institute of Digital Marketing, Bangalore. As the term suggests, it is indeed a mix of many tactical marketing tools. The role of marketing executive is to prepare the right combination to bring out the excellent synergy between the product and the targeted audience. The 4 P's of marketing is a model for enhancing the components of your marketing mix, the way in which you can take your new product or service to market. It helps you to define your marketing options in terms of price, product, promotion and place, so that your offering meets a specific customer need or demand. What is marketing? The definition that many marketers learn as they start out in the industry is by putting the right product in the right place and the right price and at the right time. What factors determine the marketing mix? Any company which intends to find the right pitch for their product needs to consider an array of factors before setting out to do it. The marketing mix for any product will be determined by 2 factors: internal factor and external factors. Internal factors. It includes the factors which lie within the organization or is concerned with the inner atmosphere of the firm. The internal factors are primarily nature of the products, product stages in its overall life cycle, availability of funds, company's objectives. External factors. External factors concerned with the factors outside the organization. They include the following aspects: degree of completion, efficiency of the channel, the buying behavior of a consumer, control from the government side. The 4 stages of marketing can also be mapped down to another popular marketing model known as the 4 P's of marketing. The 4 P's in this model are product, price, promotion and place. Product. A product is the heart of the marketing mix. All marketing activities begin with the product. The product is not a physical entity alone. It captures the whole tangible and intangible aspects like services, personality, organization and ideas. The procedures you have in the place to ensure that your products are ready for selling. Your product should fill a gap in the market, meet the needs of the consumers and stand out from the competition. The decisions regarding the product mix will depend on many factors like design, features, brand name, product variety, quality, services, packing, returns, etc. Price. Price is the monetary value that has to be paid by consumer to acquire or own the product of a company. It is the critical revenue generating component of the firm. Pricing decisions should be taken with great care as it is a double-edged sword. If your product is priced too high, it may exude a feeling of high quality. At the same time, it will make your product placing to limited and standard stores. So the marketer must know the art of wielding this dangerous sword of pricing. The pricing mix decisions needs to consider marketing variables, methods of pricing, policies, strategies, allowances, discounts, rebates, payment period and credit policy. The pricing strategy of your organization must align with the overall goal of your organization to blend smoothly. Whether you want market penetration or skim over all this depends on your pricing strategy. Promotion. The information you give consumers through targeted advertising to generate interest on your product. It aims to serve 2 objectives. 1. It informs the potential consumers about your product and secondly, it persuades them to buy the product. The promotion mix will thus include the various means that you can use to communicate with your target audience. An effective promotion mix will ensure good sales and a marketer must strive to create a conducive environment. The main elements of promotion mix are advertising, personal selling, public relations, direct marketing, publicity, social media marketing, print, sales promotion and etc. And number 4, the place or distribution. The margin of your profit depends on how quickly you can turn over the goods. The more swiftly the products reach the point of sale, the more likely are the chances of satisfying the consumers and increase brand loyalty. Hence, the place factor is crucial in ensuring your product's competitiveness in the market. The following are the elements of distribution mix. Number 1, channels of distribution. Number 2, warehousing decision. Number 3, product handling, transport, inventory control, order processing, and coverage. If you get one element wrong in this marketing mix, it can spell disaster. You could be left promoting a car with amazing fuel economy in a country where fuel is very cheap, or selling an item at a price that's too high just to attract the people you are targeting. The marketing mix is a good place to start when you are thinking through your plans for a product or service, and it helps you to avoid these kind of mistakes. The choice of your product is going to be the foundation for developing other 3 P's like pricing, promotion, and place. Therefore, while choosing your product, thorough research on some key aspects is needed. Your inquiry should investigate the needs that product will serve, the age group that it will benefit the most, the change it will make in the consumer's life, players who are already selling similar products, their strategies, and how different can you pitch your product. Hope you like this video. If you have any queries, please drop in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.